What's the mental shift that can make you thin? This remarkable shift can truly make a huge difference in your weight loss journey. And it's a subconscious shift that I've witnessed produce better results than any other approach. So what is this shift all about? It revolves around how you think about food at a deeper level, particularly the foods you struggle with. Often we become fixated on the taste and the immediate pleasure that comes from consuming certain foods. But here's the game changer. What if we started focusing on how we'll feel just 10 minutes after we finish eating? Because that's where the magic happens. Imagine this scenario. You have a tempting food decision in front of you. Instead of solely considering the taste and the momentary satisfaction that it brings, you pause and ask yourself this question: how will I feel 10 minutes from now? This simple question shifts your perspective from immediate gratification to long-term well-being. By incorporating this mental shift into your decision-making process, you start to consider the physical, mental, and emotional impact of your choices. Will you feel more energized, satisfied, proud of yourself? Or will you experience regret, sluggishness, and disappointment? This shift in mindset is incredibly powerful because it connects you to the consequences of your actions. It empowers you to make wiser decisions that align with your health goals. The beauty of this approach is that it becomes second nature over time. As you consistently ask yourself, how will I feel 10 minutes from now? Your subconscious mind starts to automatically guide you towards healthier choices. It becomes a natural part of your decision-making process, effortlessly steering you away from detrimental habits and towards actions that support your well-being. So I encourage you to embrace this mental shift and integrate it into your daily life. By doing so, you'll witness a transformation in your relationship with food and experience positive changes in your overall health and weight. Remember, it's not about restriction or depriving yourself of pleasure. It's about making conscious choices that nourish your body, uplift your spirit, and set you on a path of long-term success. Embrace this mental shift and watch as it propels you towards a healthier, happier, and more vibrant version of yourself. Follow for more mindset help with your weight loss. Effortlessly. I don't think I ever say effortlessly normally. Or will you experience regret, sluggishness? Oh, I'm tripping over my words.